boys and girls, welcome to Grade 4 Science for Life. I am Dheerani Narain and today we will learn more about science. So get ready to have lots of fun. Remember to investigate, explore and ask lots and lots of questions. So I want you to observe what I'm doing and then I'm going to ask you some questions. Good. What did I do first? Correct? I breathe in. What did I do second? I breathe out. How do you know what I was doing? Correct? You know what I was doing because of the sound I was making and the movement of my chest. So what do you think is our topic for today? Good. Our topic for today is based on breathing. By the end of this lesson, you should 1. Explain what is breathing. 2. Identify the organs involved in breathing. 3. Describe the movement of the air during breathing. 4. Describe the movement of the rib cage in the process of breathing. And 5. Identify the gas we breathe in and out. Now be quiet. Close your eyes and sit quietly. I want you to breathe in and out deeply, just as how I did. In, out. In, out. So you're going to tell me now how you feel when you breathe in your nose. How does it feel in your nose? Your throat and the lung as you breathe in. Good. You feel like something is moving into your body. When you breathe out now, how does it feel? Good. You're feeling the air coming out back. Now, I want you to observe what happened to the rib cage as you breathe in and out again. Good. The rib cage comes, when you breathe in, the rib cage comes out, and when you breathe out, the rib cage goes in back. Now, I want you to think about the organs that are involved in this process. Just think about it. I'm going to ask you a few more questions now. Question 1. What did you do to allow the air to enter into the body? Correct. You breathe in. Which part of the body allowed the air to enter? Excellent. The nose. Question 3. What happens to the rib cage when you breathe in and out? As you said earlier, very good. When you breathe in, the rib cage moves out, and when you breathe in, the rib cage moves in. Question 4. Why do you think the rib moves out and up? Here are some fun facts that you need to know about breathing. Breathing is a process of taking air into the lungs, which you call inhalation, and expelling air out of the lungs, which is called exhalation. Air enters the body through the nose and the mouth. Here are some fun facts that you need to know about breathing. Breathing is a process of taking air into the lungs, which is called inhalation, and expelling air from the lungs, which is called exhalation. Air enters the body through the nose and it could also go through the mouth. When we inhale, the rib cage moves up and out because air enters to fill in the lungs. When we exhale, the rib cage moves down and in to force the air out of the lungs. Here is a video to help you better understand how we breathe.
Oh, I can't run anymore. I'm breathing so fast.
Yes,
When you run fast, you need more energy.
What is the link between energy and breathing?
Oh, your body uses food by mixing oxygen with it, which you breathe in.
Food plus oxygen. Energy. Now it is normal.
Yes, now when we're not running, our body needs less energy.
Where this air goes in body?
Oh, this is called respiratory system. When you breathe in, the oxygen goes inside, and when you breathe out, the air, which has gone dirty, comes out of our body.
Oh, I know that air is called carbon dioxide.
Yes, let me show you. You see these colors? Blue air is the dirty air coming out of your body, and red air is clean oxygen going in your body.
Carbon dioxide comes out. Oxygen goes in.
Let me show you how air goes and comes out of the body.
Wow, I can see my body.
Yeah, this system contains nose, trachea, lungs, and diaphragm.
Nose, trachea, lungs, and diaphragm. What does these hair do?
Air enters nose. It has some dust particles. These hairs stops them.
Nose has hairs which stop dust particles. Oh no, it is going to a pipe like a water pipe.
Yes, it is the windpipe, also known as trachea.
Windpipe trachea. What are these balloons?
Oh yes, these are like balloons. When you breathe in, they expand like balloons. And when you breathe out, they contract like balloons. These are like sponges. Let us see how it happens. See the sponge?
Yeah, it drinks lot of water.
Yes, see, it has absorbed all the water. Now you squeeze it.
Oh, it looks so small, but takes lot of water.
It is like our lungs, which look small but take in lot of air.
Lungs are like sponges. They look small, but can take in lot of air inside them. This seems to be supporting lungs.
Yes, this is the largest muscle of the body. It supports lungs. When it goes up, lungs contract and we breathe out. When it goes down, we breathe in and lungs expand.
Diaphragm, biggest muscle of body. What are these trees' branches? There are 60,000 tubes in lungs.
Oh, these are bronchioles. These are small tubes which takes air inside and out of the body. There are 30,000 in each lung.
60,000 bronchioles. What are these small balls?
Oh, you can see them. We can see them because of magic. These are called alveoli. From here, oxygen goes to the blood and carbon dioxide comes in from blood to lungs.
So, this is exchange point of gases. Carbon dioxide comes in from the blood and oxygen goes to the blood. In this way, oxygen is spread through the whole body. Alveoli, exchange center for carbon dioxide and oxygen. Oh, now I understand the whole process.
Let me show you something.
What is this for?
Oh, let me show you an experiment. How our diaphragm and lungs work.
Okay.
This rubber is like a diaphragm and balloon is like the lungs. When the diaphragm goes down, air goes into the lungs. And when your diaphragm goes up, air goes out of lungs.
Oh, now I know how we breathe.
Here is some more on breathing. Do you know from where does the fish get oxygen to breathe?
No, they must come out.
No, they don't need to come out. There is a lot of oxygen mixed in the water. Fishes take oxygen from the water.
Oh, but I have heard that fishes don't have lungs.
Yes, you're right. They breathe from the gills in their body.
Fish don't have lungs. They breathe through gills. Let me note it down. Nose, trachea, lungs, bronchioles, diaphragm and alveoli.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Now here are some questions based on the video. Question 1. Which gas do we breathe in? Correct, we breathe in oxygen. Question 2. What is the name of the tube that leads from the nose to the lungs? Excellent, the trachea. Question 3. What happens to the lung and rib cage as we breathe in and out? As we breathe in, the lung inflates, causes the rib cage to move out and up. And as we breathe out, the lungs reduces in size, so it causes the rib cage to go in and down. Question 4. Why do we breathe in oxygen? Correct. We breathe in oxygen so we could survive. Question 5. Name the organs that are involved in breathing. Very good. The organs involved in breathing are the nose, the trachea, and the lung. So let's just review what we've learned from this lesson. We learned that breathing is inhaling of oxygen and exhaling of carbon dioxide. The main organ involved in breathing is the lung. Oxygen is exchanged for carbon dioxide in the alveoli. We breathe in oxygen because your cells need it to carry out their functions. When we breathe in, the ribcage moves up and out. And when we breathe out, the ribcage moves down and in. Good. So the task that I want you to do for me based on this lesson is to make a model of the lung using 2 balloons, a straw, and a plastic bottle. Here is an example for you to see how to make it. Okay, that will be all for today. Hope you had lots of fun, and remember to investigate, explore, and ask lots and lots of questions. See you next time.